Hi scientists, I'm going to quickly go over the science for this week. I'm going to go over the activities and assignments that you have to complete. So for Monday, you are going to need your science textbook because you are going to be reading pages 466 to 477, Life in Full Circle, and then you're going to complete the discussion board titled Comparing Animals and Plant Life Cycles. That discussion board just goes over you answering how is the life cycle of an animal different than the life cycle of a plant. And as always, make sure to explain your reasoning behind your response. Tuesday, you'll need your science textbook again, and you're going to be reading pages 468 to 469 and 470 to 471, and you're then going to complete the discussion board titled Care for Parents. That discussion board is you responding to which animal gets the most care from their parents. And again, make sure to explain your reasoning. Wednesday, you will be reading pages 472 and 473, My How You've Changed. It's going over complete and incomplete metamorphosis. After you do that, you need to print off the Metamorphosis interactive notebook and glue it into your science notebook. Now, if for some reason you can't print it off, that's totally fine as well. You can just open up what the PDF looks like and recreate it in your notebook. I'm trying to pull it up to show you guys. So here you go, you can see the life cycles, and then you can put complete metamorphosis and then just divide your paper in half for the incomplete metamorphosis. So you can do that. You can just recreate it if you don't have the ability to print it off. After you get your science notebook set up, then you're going to watch the teacher video of me going over what you read in your book about complete and incomplete metamorphosis and taking a few notes on it. So that's what you're doing Wednesday. Thursday, you will be reading pages 474 and 475, and you're going to be reading about saving sea turtles, and then after that you're going to be watching a video about sea turtle nesting. And then the final thing for the week is you're going to show your teachers what you know from what you've learned this week. So you're going to be using your science textbook pages 465 to 475 and your interactive notebook to complete the animal life cycle assignment. And I'm going to quickly go over that for you. The first 5 questions are true and false statements. So you need to read the question and determine if that statement is true or false, and then mark it. Those are all each worth 1 point. Down here, you are going to be matching up the word with the correct picture. So you need to, for metamorphosis, you need to choose which one of these pictures is showing complete metamorphosis. So that's that question. And then question number 7 is which animals hatch from eggs? And it says mark all that apply. So that's your last one. Make sure to review your answers before you submit it. And then once you complete that, you will be done for science for the week. I hope you guys have a great week and enjoy learning all about animal life cycles. Bye, guys.